Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Knowledge Interest. Guys, in this video I'll show you how can you enroll for the course which is Python programming for beginners. So to visit this website, simply click on the link given in the description. Then scroll down here. Here is this course which is free of cost. So click on it. Here you can see the description of this course. Also the topics which are going to be covered in this course are given here. And at last you will get this certificate. So to enroll for this course, click on the enroll now button. Then type your mobile number here. Then click on the get OTP. Then type your OTP here. Then click on the login. So here we enroll for the course. Now click on the course classroom button and start learning. I hope you like this video, and if you have any queries regarding this, then you can ask in the comment section. Also subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.